Hey you guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Olaplex treatment. This is the number 1 and the number 2, and this is only available for licensed cosmetologists, which most of you know I am. So let's get this started. Olaplex is not a deep conditioner or a treatment. It is simply a bond builder to help rebuild any bonds that have been broken in your hair. They can be broken by the environment, chemical services, heat services, anything like that. So I have 3 ounces of water mixed with 15 milliliters of the Olaplex. So you're simply just going to squeeze till you get the amount you need. And I actually did wash my hair prior to this. It did say apply on dry hair, but I felt like that would, take a lot. And it's expensive. So, and I had castor oil in my hair, and it said you want your hair to be free of any oils, so that's why I shampooed and conditioned. So I'm just going to follow up with this in my hair and apply it in this applicator bottle. Alright, so here I am. I'm just going to start sectioning off my hair to apply the treatment, and I got me a microfiber towel just to have so it doesn't get everywhere because it is very liquidy. So you're going to make sure you have something on you, and I also put one on my lap. I'm just starting in the bottom section of my hair and just squirting this from roots to ends and just raking it through, and I'll just repeat that all over my head. Now I'm just going to gather up all my hair, and it's been hard since I got my bangs, but we're going to make it work. So I'm just going to get my clip and clip it up. This is going to sit alone for 5 minutes. Alright, I am back. This has been in for 5 minutes. So now I'm just going to unclip everything, and I'm just going to start applying the number 2. Alright, so I'm just going to apply this like I do my deep conditioners. So I'm just going to go in and then start twisting up this section like I do my deep conditions. So those of you who are not cosmetologists, you can actually get the Olaplex number 3. Make sure you get it from their website. Do not go and get it on Amazon because that is not real. And we don't need you using fake products. A lot of people will do that and try and sell black market products. But I will link the website below, and you can also get it from the Curl Bible, which is an online store for us curly girls, and they do sell the real thing. I do have virgin hair, and a lot of people with highlights or color services do get an Olaplex treatment to help rebuild those bonds that were broken, but I just figure why not? It can be used on virgin hair anyway, so I might as well give it a try. So here on my bangs, I'm just making sure I comb upward because that's really going to help with volume, and I love volume, especially with my new cut. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm doing that and then twisting it. So I'm going to let this sit for 20 minutes, and you can do it depending on how damaged your hair is, and then I'm going to co-wash after. This recommends to follow up with a deep condition treatment, so I'm going to take my Maui Moisture Mask for dry and damaged hair. This is one of my go-tos. It's very hydrating, but it's not too heavy. Then I'm taking my Diva Curl Heaven and Hair, which y'all know is a go-to for me, and these are both low on protein. You don't want a lot of protein after this treatment because Olaplex is made of a lot of protein. Now I'm taking some local honey, and honey is a humectant. So that's going to help your hair fight frizz and also add shine. And why not? It's natural. You know it's going to do good for you anyway. Might as well use it. Now I'm taking some avocado oil that helps us shine and nourishes the hair. Why not? So we're not going to have frizz if we use this. Now I'm taking some rosemary oil, which is amazing for hair. It's amazing if you have a dry scalp or any dandruff. This is the one for you. and it smells like Vicks Vapor Rub, which I like the smell of that anyway, but it's very good for hair growth, so test it out. Here are my wet results after styling. I used the Eco Styler Cocktail along with some Ultra Defining Gel by Diva Curl. I'm going to air dry and get back with the results. So here are my dry results. My final thoughts, I really think it did good. I see a little bit more curl formation. I wouldn't do this once a week like it says a lot of people do with the number 3. I'll probably do it maybe once a month because my version is more concentrated, and I'll just probably do the number 2. But overall, I really like it, and I think it's really helping my curls because they're a little confused since I did just get a cut. So yeah, let me know your final thoughts. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.